Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris. I'm just another review guy, and today we are trying Chemical Guys, a 3-in-1 tire cleaner. If you watched the last video, I used Insight wheel cleaner. Really great product. It's a good pre-cleaner. Foam sticks nicely to the wheel. It turns blue. It does a good pre-wash. But I sprayed it on the tires and it caused the tires to have this browning effect on it. I'm assuming because the tires are dirty and the Insight isn't really a tire cleaner. But today we're trying the Klingon tire foam. It's supposed to be a 3-in-1 cleaner, protectant, and a deep gloss. So I'm not sure if it's actually going to clean the tire correctly, because it's not really meant to be a cleaner when the tire's super dirty. So I'll spray half the tire with just the protectant. The other half I will use the invisible super cleaner. I'll scrub the other half of the tire and apply this, and then I'll just apply this to all 3 tires. I'll go for a drive, see how long it lasts for. So guys, let's go ahead and get to the video. This is going to be a quick one. If you want to pick this product up, I'll leave a link in the description below, either to Amazon or Chemical Guys. If you go to Amazon, it's an affiliate link, so I make a couple pennies. It helps me out since I gotta buy all this stuff, so it helps the channel. As always, I appreciate you watching, so let's get to the actual cleaning part of the video. Alright guys, so it's been about 5-8 minutes and the residue is somewhat dried. It's leaving a little bit on your finger, but these are, obviously low profile tires, so no matter what kind of foam I've ever put on, there's always been residue. So I'm gonna go and give it a wipe. Now I'll bring you in closer in a minute, but right about the halfway point over here, you can still see the brown marks. And then where I clean the tire, it's not as aggressive, it's not as noticeable where I actually cleaned it. And it's kind of like what I thought this would happen with this. It's not really a cleaner, more than maybe a dressing. Now my Z4 is not a garage queen, it's more of a lawn whore. It sits in the lawn most of the year and I rarely drive it, so the tires don't get that dirty. But it does sit outside in the elements. So what I'm gonna do is, because I don't want to drive the car with an ugly ass tire, I'm gonna go and use the invisible cleaner on the other half, scrub it, reapply the dressing. I did apply the dressing to the 4 other tires, so we're gonna go for a drive and see how long the dressing lasts for. Let's go ahead and clean this side here with the invisible. We might even need something more aggressive than this to get this tire clean. But right now, all I have is the cleaner. So we're gonna just do a full circle. Chemical Guys towel into a burrito. And we'll go ahead and give it a good wipe. See how much dirt's coming off of that bad boy? It's a lot of dirt, man, for not being driven very often. But when I drive it, I drive it. I'm not putting around like a grandma. Get the stiff little brush out. So we got somewhat clean. Pretty dirty. Alright guys, my final thoughts on the product is it works great. It's a good product. I liked it. Smells good. Applied easy. It was okay as a cleaner, as you saw in the video. If you really want to make the product work and clean to the tire, you have to pre-clean the tire. Now, I put the cleaner on all 4 of my tires and I drove about 15 miles. When I got home, the tires were still having the shine effect, which is really good because usually Armor All lasts for about a block or 2, it seems. So if you use it before you go to Cars and Coffee, it should still be on there by the time you get to Cars and Coffee if you ever go to those car meets. But if not, then it will last you for probably a day or so driving. Now, you do need to pre-clean the tires in order to make it work 100%. And even chemical guys in their videos say so as well. You just can't spray it on and have it miraculously clean the tires, depending on how dirty the tire is. So as always guys, I appreciate you watching the video. I appreciate all the support. If you have any techniques or tips or tricks for keeping the polish on the tires longer, hit me up in the comment section below. I appreciate it. As always, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content. I'm going to be reviewing other things instead of car product. I got like, you know, salt shooters to kill bugs and like machine guns, not real guns because YouTube will demonetize me, but like pellet guns. That's some cool shit, some cool stuff I like to play with. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.